This is a camper stool, children's size. Again, you can see the great grain stain I did. Really smooth finishes on these. This one here is a live oak. Beautiful wood grain in this one. Got kind of a bone color. This one here, cherry plum. Again, super gorgeous. Almost a glass-like finish on this one. This one here is a camphor. Smells amazing. Really unique wood grain in this one also. And this one here, super rare, very heavy, dense African sumac, one of the hardest woods on the planet. Very, very amazing grain tone in this one. I also do signage, addresses, names, little style I do here, the mesh background in it.